Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by y to the power of 4. Now we can apply about Bernoullis equation. So I need to put about v equals to 1 over y to the power of 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about dv over dx equals to negative number 3 over y to the power of 4 dy over dx. Because we don't have negative number 3 in here, so I will put negative number 3 go to the left. So this one we change by this one. This one we change by v. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Now we need to simplify the negative side for the both sides. Next, I will multiply both sides by number 3. So we have v, and first derivative of v we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 6 over s next to v, this is about integrating factor. And we have 6 ln s. So I will put number 6 go inside about natural log in here. And this one we have s to the power of 6. Next, I will multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 6s to the power of 5v. Next, s to the power of 6 multiplied by s squared and number 2. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So that means we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. Because this one is about first derivative of s to the power of 6. Now the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. The integration of this one, we have v s to the power of 6. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 9 over 9. The next one is about 7 over 7, and we put about c. Later that, we divide both sides by s to the power of 6. About v, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.